we'll discuss about the gaseous state of matter. Okay, solid state, liquid state. Now we have to discuss about the liquid gaseous state. Gaseous state. Today we have to discuss about the gaseous state of matter. Students, before this, I want to revise once that in solid state and liquid state we have discussed that what are the definite and what is indefinite. Now we have to discuss about the gaseous matter. The characteristics will be same. First of all, we have to discuss about the sap. Second one is, speak properly. Second one is
Volume.
volume. Yes, volume. The third one will be
Mass.
mass. The fourth one will be
Fluidity.
density. The fifth one will be fluidity.
Density.
The sixth one is
Compressibility.
compressibility. These are the characteristics. Yes, sap and size will be together. Let us see, students. We have to discuss about all these characteristics of gaseous matter: sap, volume, mass, density, fluidity, and compressibility. Here we should mention gaseous state of matter. Gaseous state of matter. Now, students, one by one we will discuss about the gaseous state. First of all, we have to discuss about the sap. Students, as we have discussed about the characteristics of particles of matter, that particles of matter attract each other, they have force of attraction. That force of attraction will depend on the particles of matter, that how they are attached to each other. If they are attached very closely to each other, then there is greater force of attraction. But if they are far away from each other, in this situation, what will happen? The force of attraction will be reduced. The force of attraction will be least. And if the force of attraction will be least in this situation, what will happen, students? The particles are free to move anywhere. The particles are free to move anywhere. In this situation, if we'll see the gaseous state of matter, I have drawn a figure yesterday that if we will see the particles of gaseous matter, then we will find that the particles of gaseous matter are very far away from each other. If we will say the gaseous state of matter, then we will find that they are very far away from each other. And in this situation, if they are very far from each other, then there is least force of attraction, means particles of gaseous matter are free, and if they are free, then they can move freely to anywhere. This is the reason that when we burn the incense stick or when we spray the perfume, then the smell is spread very quickly, and the medium, the way by which the smell is spreading is called as the diffusion. Called as diffusion. A new word comes, diffusion. We have to study about the diffusion, students. Diffusion is a process in which there is the movement of particles from higher concentration to lower concentration. Diffusion is the process in which there is the movement of particles from higher concentration to lower concentration. How can we say? We can say that when we burn the यदि mute, listen me students, if you will not mute yourself, then I have bound to mute yourself, otherwise, so please, I'm going to mute you all. Let us see. I have discussed about the diffusion. That diffusion is a process in which there is the movement of particles from higher concentration to lower concentration. How can we say that particles start to move from higher concentration to lower concentration? We can say, students, that when we burn the incense stick, we see that the smoke start to rises up and spread very quickly. Means where the concentration is high, from that position, from that place, is start to move from the different place where there is the low concentration. Where there is low concentration, this is called as the diffusion. And gaseous matter follow this way of diffusion to move from one place to another place. Because you can ask that what is the way by which the gaseous particles move from one place to another place. Yes, students, every material, not only in case of gaseous, in case of liquid also, there is the movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. How can we say? You have seen that if you have taken a bucket full of water and hold at different level, how can we say you have taken a bucket in such a situation and fill the bucket with water, and hold at different places, कई जगह से hold कर दो. What will you observe? You will observe that water from the lower portion will come out fast in respect of the upper portion. Why? Because at lower portion there is high pressure and the concentration inside the bucket is higher than the outside, due to which there is the movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. One example you have seen that when vehicles start to move, when trains start to move, go away, from behind the litters, dust start to rise. Why? जब ट्रेन चलती है, बस गाड़ियां चलती हैं, तो उनके पीछे से बड़े तेजी से धूल उठती है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जैसे ही बस आगे बढ़ी, as the vehicles go away, there is the vacuum. वहां पर हवा शून्य हो जाती है, नहीं रहती है. And the air beside the vehicle has higher concentration. In that position, it start to rust to fill the vacuum position, due to which there is the dust and litters start to fly. Now I'm coming to the topic. You have understood about the diffusion, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I'm coming the main topic. We
Yes,
have
sir.
studied about the shape of gaseous state of matter. We can say, students, in case of gaseous state, there is no fixed shape. There is no fixed shape. Why there is no fixed shape?
Fixed shape and size.
The reason is that gaseous matter, the particles of gaseous matter are free from each other, and if the particles are very far away from each other, in this situation there is least force of attraction, and if there is least force of attraction in this situation, they are free to move. This is the reason that the shape and size of particles of gaseous matter is not fixed. It will occupy the space where it is kept. Suppose that we have taken the perfume in a container, and when we spray the perfume, then it will spread in whole room. When we have taken the perfume in container, at that time it has high pressure, and when we spray it, the particles are free because there is less force of attraction and they start to move away. Then we can say that gaseous matter have no fixed shape and fixed size. We can say, let us see. Now we have to discuss about the volume, students. We have to discuss about the volume. In case of volume, students, volume means we have discussed what is volume. If I have discussed right now, suppose that you have to fill up air in your bicycle. Everyone used to ride on bicycle.
Hello?
You have to fill up air in bicycle. In this situation, when you visit to the mechanic to fill up air in the tube of your tire of your bike or bicycle, he used a pipe, and that pipe is connected with the container in which air is filled up. When we blow air with the help of pipe into the tire, then air very quickly comes from that container to the tire. Means the air start to move from higher concentration to lower concentration. जिधर air का pressure ज्यादा था, उधर से air move करके किधर को आई?
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
lower pressure की तरफ आई. In this situation, the air fill up very quickly. Means in case of volume, if the gaseous matter is kept in a small container, then it will occupy the volume of that container. If that gaseous matter is transferred into another container which has large volume, then it will occupy the container in which it is transferred. Means in case of gaseous matter, the volume is not fixed also. We can say that sap is not fixed. We can say no fixed sap.
Fixed.
Second one, we can say that no fixed volume, no fixed
Same.
volume. Now we have to discuss about the mass. I have discussed earlier, students, that this mass is fixed in case of all three state of matter. In case of all three state of matter. How can I say? How can I say that gaseous matter have also fixed mass? The reason is that suppose that you have taken 10 gram or 100 gram of any gaseous matter, and if that 100 gram of gaseous matter is transferred into another container, in this situation there will be no any effect on mass. In this case, we can say that the mass of gaseous matter is always fixed. Either it is kept into a small container or it is kept into big container. It is not a matter. There will be no any effect on mass of gaseous matter if it is kept into different components. If it is kept into different container. Understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we can say in
Yes,
third,
sir.
in third condition we can say fixed mass.
Yes, sir.
Fixed mass. Now we have to discuss about the density, students. Density. You can see this drawn structure. You can see this drawn structure. If you will see this structure, then we are find that particles are very far away from each other. And when particles are very far away from each other, in this situation, the number of particles in a particular area is very less. The number of particles
sir.
in a particular area is very less, and the density will depend on the number of particle in particular area. In this situation, in case of gaseous matter, the density is very
The sound is not clear.
less. The density is very less. We can say in fourth character, there is least density of gaseous matter in respect of solid and liquid. Okay, students? Is it clear? In
Liquid.
case of gaseous matter,
Yes, sir.
there is
Yes, sir.
least
Sound is not
density.
clear, sir.
And why there is the least density? The reason is that particles of matter are
Yes,
very
sir.
far away from each other. And when particles are very
Yes,
far
sir.
away from each other in a particular area, then density will be low.
Mm.
We have discussed
Yes, sir.
as the population in a village, population of a particular area, we have discussed.
Yes, sir.
It is the same. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes,
Let
sir.
us see.
Yes, sir.
Least density.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see that line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Now we have to discuss about the fluidity and compressibility.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to erase this position. How many of you have taken books and writing material?
Yes,
आप में
sir.
से कितने लोग लिए? I hope that you all will take. Let us see. Now we have to discuss about the fluidity.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to discuss about the fluidity. What do you mean by fluidity?
Sir.
It is the nature of fluid matter which start to flow very easily when it is poured on the surface of any container or on the floor. है ना? Fluidity is the nature of flowing of matter to flow easily from one place to another place when it is poured. जब उसको हम उड़ेले गिराएं तो क्या हो जाए, वो बहना शुरू हो जाए. That is the fluidity. आपसे कभी कभी शार्ट नोट पूछता है कि राइट शार्ट नोट ऑन फ्लूइडिटी कंप्रेसिबिलिटी, है ना? It can ask. Let us see, students. Now we are come to the topic fluidity. Gaseous. Yesterday we have discussed that liquid matter also have the nature of fluidity. Yes. In same condition, the gaseous matter also have the nature of fluidity. Why it happens? The reason is that there is least force of attraction. There is least force of attraction. We can say that gaseous matter have nature of fluidity, means when it is poured on, then it start to flow very easily due to less force of attraction between the particles of gaseous
Particles of
matter.
state.
Gaseous matter.
Matter.
Now the
Matter.
last headline that we have to discuss is compressibility. Is compressibility. Compressibility means the characteristics of compress, and if any matter is compressed very easily, then we can say that that matter show the nature of compressibility. In case of solid matter, we have seen that the particles are very close to each other, and if particles are very close to each other, in this situation they are not compressible because there is no any intercellular space. There is no intermolecular space, sorry. In case of matter, intermolecular space. In case of cell, intercellular space. Okay. There is no intermolecular space. In case of liquid matter, there is no compressibility because molecules are close to each other in respect of gaseous matter. But in case of gaseous matter, there is the nature of compressibility. Means gaseous matter show the nature of compressibility. Why they show the nature of compressibility? Because molecules are very far away from each other, and when we apply extra force, then the molecules will come together. In this situation, they compress very easily. Now we have to perform it by doing an activity. On blackboard, we will do the activity to prove that the solid matter do not show the nature of compressibility, liquid matter do not show the nature of compressibility, but gaseous matter show the nature of compressibility. How can we say? Let us see. In your book, one figure is given, students. One figure is given. You can see page number 5. Page number 5. Open page number 5 of your book, where it is given. How can we prove that gaseous matter have nature of compressibility or they are compressible? For this, we
Sir,
have
page number.
The page number, sir.
page number 5.
Page number 5.
For this activity, we have to take syringe. We have to take syringe, disposal, and in that disposal, what we have to do?
Page number.
How many times?
Page
I
number.
have-
Number 5, 1.4 figure.
We have taken syringe. We have to take 3 syringes, students. We will take 3 syringes. And what we have to do with the syringe, I will discuss after drawing. Suppose that I have taken the syringe. This figure is given in your book. Have you opened the page number 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the figure?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let
sir.
us see. I have drawn the figure.
Yes, sir.
Let us see, students. I have drawn 3 figures, and in these 3 series, we have taken the different things. We have taken different things. First of all, you can see that this is a syringe. This is a head portion. This is the front portion of syringe, and this is the piston. This is the piston, जिसका हम यूज करते हैं, इसे खींचते हैं पकड़ के. What we have to do in first syringe? This is the first. This is the second, and this is the third syringe. We have taken 3 syringes. In first syringe, we have to take any solid matter. In first series, we have to take any solid matter. We have said we have taken sand. हम क्या करेंगे? इस piston को release करेंगे. After removing this piston, we fill up the sand in the syringe and close the mouth. In every condition, we have to close the mouth of all these 3 syringes by using the cotton plug. Cotton रुई लेकर के, कपड़ा लेकर के, कागज लेकर के इसके माउथ को हम बंद कर देंगे। अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
students.
Yes, sir.
We will close the mouth of all these three syringes, and one by one, in first syringe, we have to take the sand. How can we fill up the sand? We will remove the piston. We will remove this
Yes, sir.
piston, and after removing piston, we will fill up sand.
Yes, sir.
And after then, we again put the piston.
And
So, students, what am I saying? First of all, I will remove the piston, fill up sand, and then we will put the piston. Now it is okay. The in second condition we have to take liquid, any liquid. हम water ले लेते हैं. We have to take the liquid material in second syringe. How can we fill up? In same way, we will remove the piston and put the water, fill the water. After then we will put the piston. क्या करेंगे? पिस्टन को निकालेंगे, पानी भरेंगे और फिर पिस्टन को उसमें लगा देंगे. Now it is
लगा
also
देंगे.
okay. In third condition, what we have to do? We will remove the piston and again put the piston. Or we will remove the cotton plug from mouth and put the syringe. Then the air will fill up very easily into it. Air will fill up very easily. Have you seen the syringe used by doctor? How many of you have visited to the clinic in case of diseases and doctors prescribe you the syringe? तुम्हें इंजेक्शन लगानी पड़ेगी. देखे हो, गए हो कभी? इंजेक्शन का नाम
Yes, sir.
जाता है.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When doctor say to all of you that
खुद का है.
there is need. Okay.
खुद का
There
है
is
सर.
need that you have to, I have
Yes,
to use
sir.
syringe.
Yes, sir.
ना नहीं है सर.
If once you have replied, then silent. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have taken all these things. Now we have to do the experiment. Now we start to push this first syringe. We will see that when we push the syringe, then we will find that it is not pushing very easily. It is not pushing. Means in case of solid matter, this sand is solid. This sand is solid and it is not compressible. It is not compressible. We can say do not. Yeah, we can say not compressible. Not compressible. In case of water, in second series in which we have taken the liquid as a water, we will find that in case of water matter or liquid matter, there is no compressibility because piston is not able to put. In case of third, in which there is the gaseous matter, we will see that it can push very easily, it can compress very easily. Then we can say that gaseous matter show the nature of compressibility. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
समझ में नहीं आया फिर सर, समझ में नहीं आया फिर सर. सर
Yes.
सर
Yes. Yes.
समझ में नहीं आया सर, फिर एक बार सर और समझा दीजिए.
कौन बोल रहा है ये?
यस सर.
कौन बोल रहा है ये? अक्षत भूषण?
यस सर.
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में नहीं आ रहा है?
नो सर.
पास होते तो समझ में आ जाता अभी, है ना?
Yes, sir.
अभी पास होते तो समझ जाते.
यस सर.
Let us see. What am I saying? Suppose that in case of solid matter, we have taken sand, and when we put up the sand and start to push the piston, then we will find that it is not able to push very easily. In this situation, we can say that solid matter do not show the nature of compressibility. Understood? हिंदी में आपको बता रहे हैं, यदि मान लो कोई गैसियस मैटर हम लिए थे, ठीक है, सिरिंज बिल्कुल खाली था. गैसियस मैटर मीन्स इम्पटी सिरिंज, इन केस ऑफ इम्पटी सिरिंज जैसे ही हमने पिस्टन को क्या किया, दबाना शुरू किया, आगे से कॉटन प्लग लगाए हुए हैं, गैस आगे से बाहर नहीं निकल सकती है, तो उस कंडीशन में जैसे ही हम पिस्टन को दबाए तो हम देखें कि पिस्टन हमारी बड़े आसानी से दब रही है। यदि पिस्टन आसानी से दब रही है, इसका मतलब कि जो गैसियस मैटर होते हैं उस गैसियस मैटर में यह नेचर होता है कि वो कंप्रेसिबिलिटी के नेचर को शो करता है। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
ओके?
Sir,
हाँ बेटा बोलो।
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
sir,
हाँ बेटा बोलो।
Yes, sir.
what is rigidity body?
व्हाट इज
Rigidity body.
रिजिडिटी?
Yes, sir.
Let us see, students, ये भी जान लो, rigidity is also a nature or characteristics of matter. Very good question. It is also given in short note. Rigidity, as compressibility, as fluidity, rigidity is also a characteristics of matter. In case of solid matter, rigid means क्या होता है? Hard. Rigid means hard. In case of solid matter, the particles are very close to each other, and when particles are very close to each other, then they are very rigid. If we will discuss about the liquid matter, then the molecules are far away in respect of solid matter, then they are less rigid than the solid. But in case of gaseous matter, molecules are very far away. In this situation, they are less rigid or they are not rigid. For this, how can we prove? We can do it by performing that activity. Suppose that I have taken this duster. I'm not able to press or compress this duster. It is very hard. When it is very hard, then we can say it is rigid. All the solid matters are rigid, but all the gaseous matter are not rigid. Understood?
Yes, sir.
One thing is the next topic that we have to study. Now the time is very less, only 7 minutes remain. Some questions are given, students, on page number 6. पेज नंबर 6 पर कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए हुए, इनको हम इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहते हैं. दीज क्वेश्चंस आर इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड यू हैव टू रिप्लाई द आंसर ऑफ ऑल दीज इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अगेन द टर्म ऑफ केमिस्ट्री विल कम ऑन which day? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
On Wednesday, first of all I will ask the answer of these questions, after then I will go forward and I will show your copy also that you have completed or not. What you have to do? You have to complete your copy. Your copy should be complete with exercise.
Yes.
Notes should be there in your copy along with the exercise, and along with the exercise in text questions should be done. One thing I want to inform to all of you that your unit exam will also be held online. So you have to prepare yourself for the exam also. Understood?
Which day, sir?
Okay.
Which day?